Property owner of these two buildings here in Lake Dallas gave us a call a little over a week and a half ago. We were having all that excessive rain downfall. He's been having issues with these roofs for quite some time now. With all that rain, it's just been getting worse. He's got failing around his RTU package units, his sidewalls, and where the standing seam metal panels overlap each other. We're going to do a complete fluid applied restoration of both these buildings, which is going to give them a monolithic system that's entirely waterproof. Let's go see what we can do for him. Seam on these systems where the two panels are joined together tend to be problematic areas on these roofs. What we've done prior to doing the fluid applied restoration is put some acrylic latex caulk across every one of these seams. Property owner and investor, and you like what you see in these videos, feel free to direct message me. I look forward to speaking with you.